Are you constructing a new building? Billy is trapped under some pipes and needs your help. SUPERTRUCK, it's time for you to transform!
Hey. Hey.
Can you hold the sneeze, Billy? Work fast, SUPERTRUCK! Billy could sneeze at any moment! Watch out, SUPERTRUCK! Get the ST3000! Good job, SUPERTRUCK! Thanks to SUPERTRUCK for saving the day. Wow! Amazing!
Whoa.
Hey.
You two are great stuntmen! It's the signal! Someone needs SUPERTRUCK! Let's go! Our rocket friends were testing new thrusters when Rocky experienced a problem with his engine. SUPERTRUCK, please help Rocky land! Baby Rocky is worried that his dad will crash! Hi, Baby Rocky. Don't worry. SUPERTRUCK is here to help you. Whoa! Be careful! SUPERTRUCK, you must stop Rocky from this uncontrolled flight! Baby Rocky, no! Baby Rocky, watch out! Oh, that was close. SUPERTRUCK, use ST3000 to stop Rocky. A magnet? How are you going to use it, SUPERTRUCK? Of course! Rocky is made out of metal, so magnet can affect him.
Hey!
You're doing good, SUPERTRUCK! Oh no! SUPERTRUCK! Watch out! Fire! SUPERTRUCK! Do something! Super Fire Truck? Of course! Go ahead, SUPERTRUCK! Well done, SUPERTRUCK! But what about Rocky? It's working! Rocky's engine is stopped! Your dad is safe, baby Rocky. Thank you so much, SUPERTRUCK! The engine is fixed, so let's test it. I'm excited! The engines are working perfectly! Well done! See you next time! Whoa, guys! What's the big hurry? Ah, you're racing to see who can find the first Easter egg? See anything? How about you, Carl? Well, good luck! Carl, wait! Hold on! Yikes! Sorry to interrupt, but there's an emergency! Oh no! The babies can't find any eggs at all! Walter hid them too well! Can you help them search? You are great at hide and seek. This should be an easy case for you. Don't worry, babies. SUPERTRUCK is here. He and Walter will find the eggs in no time. Come on, let's go look. You see any eggs, Walter? What about you, SUPERTRUCK? Nothing? Oh, wait. Look, some candy. Aw, are you tired, babies? Well, that's sweet of you, SUPERTRUCK, but I think they're getting tired and could use a ride. Oh, wow! You're a super car carrier! That's perfect for giving tired babies a lift! All aboard! Are we ready to keep looking for the missing Easter eggs? Good luck with your search, babies! Find anything yet? Look, everyone! SUPERTRUCK found some eggs! And you remembered where the rest of them are? The Carries? Well then, let's go! Oh dear, what's wrong with the babies? Ah, I think you're right. Look, the eggs are melting from the sun. SUPERTRUCK, what do we do? Use the ST3000? Great idea! Stand back and close your eyes, everyone. The freeze ray is bright. Whoa! Nice work, SUPERTRUCK. That ought to keep him cool while we drive back to Carrie's. It's safe to open your eyes now, guys. Now, let's go get the rest of the eggs. Hooray! The Easter eggs are here at last! Couldn't have found them without you, Carl. Oh, wow! Another Easter treat! Thanks for the jelly beans, Carrie! Have a happy Easter, everyone! See you next time! Wow! Jerry, is that you? You look amazing, all decorated for the Chinese New Year parade. Are you the lead car? Careful, Jerry. You don't want to have an accident. The parade is about to start. Take your place, Jerry. Good luck. Don't go too fast or no one will be able to keep up, Jerry. What's wrong, Jerry? Do you have engine problems? Careful, Billy. Jerry has engine problems. Oh no! We better call SUPERTRUCK. Help! Carl! We need you! Jerry is leading the parade today and he broke down. The whole parade has come to a standstill. Can you help? Great! Let's go! Don't look so grumpy, Billy. SUPERTRUCK is here to help. You just have to be patient. Oh boy, they are getting restless. Listen to that honking. What will you transform into, SUPERTRUCK? Are you going to remove Jerry from the parade, SUPERTRUCK? Cool! Jerry's on the platform. Now he's as tall as a real dragon. Let's get this parade going again. Uh-oh. What's wrong now, Jerry? You see something on the road ahead? What is it, SUPERTRUCK? A fallen lamppost? Oh no, that's not good. Look out! Phew, that was close. What are you going to do, SUPERTRUCK? Look behind you. They're catching up. This could be very dangerous. Good idea. Try to push it out of the way. It's pretty heavy and you have nothing on your front bumper to move it properly. What are we going to do? All these cars won't be able to stop in time. Think, SUPERTRUCK. Of course! The ST3000! What tool will you use to remove that lamppost from the road? Hurry, SUPERTRUCK! Oh no! Listen to that honking! Guess who? Why is Billy so grumpy today? You're right. Silly Billy just likes everything to run smoothly. Hooray! You did it, SUPERTRUCK, and just in time. Look! Come on, Dragon. Keep this parade moving. And we're back to where we started. What a great parade. Look, SUPERTRUCK. Billy is actually smiling. Thanks for saving the day, SUPERTRUCK. Let's hear it for SUPERTRUCK, everyone. At least your horn still works, Jerry. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody! See you next time! Hi, Amber. Hi, Carl. You look pretty busy. What are you up to? You're organizing some hospital supplies to sell at the spring clearance sale today. That's nice of you to help, Amber and Carl. Spring is a busy time for sales, isn't it? Uh-oh, Carl. Your ST3000 is flickering. That means there's trouble and someone needs your help. You better get home right away. Massimo is heading to his tire shop for his annual spring sale. But he got stuck in a traffic jam on the bridge. His allergies are acting up, and he sneezed himself right to the edge. One little move could send him into the water below. Can you help, Carl? Great! Let's go! Look at all the cars! The spring sales event is causing a major traffic jam! Do you think you'll be able to get to Massimo in time? Yikes! Tough crowd! What will you do, SUPERTRUCK? Good idea, SUPERTRUCK! Wow, SUPERTRUCK, you're an ambulance! Move aside, everyone. Super Ambulance has an emergency to take care of. Hang on, Massimo. SUPERTRUCK is here. You know your allergies are bad, but is there any way you can try to stop sneezing? Your tires are right on the edge. Oh no! Don't do that, Massimo! Do you have any tissues or anything? Oh no! Oh no! Massimo's going to sneeze again! SUPERTRUCK, think of something! Phew! A tow rope! Hurry and hook it up, SUPERTRUCK! You did it, SUPERTRUCK! You okay, Massimo? Massimo would like you to join him at the tire shop for the big sale, SUPERTRUCK. But he would like you to select anything you need as a thank you for saving the day. Let's go, guys! Thanks for all of your help today, SUPERTRUCK. You have something for Massimo, SUPERTRUCK? Here's some tissues for your allergies, Massimo. Enjoy the spring sale, everyone. Hello, Marley. I see you're in a great mood today.
Hey!
Would you like to help Carl? Okay, then. Why don't you manage the traffic so nobody bothers Carl? Well done, Marley. You're a great helper. Uh-oh. Looks like someone is in trouble. Sorry, Marley, but Carl has to go. It's an emergency. See you later. Bobby was towing Walter on the canal when suddenly sharks appeared and started biting Walter's platform. If we don't stop them, Walter will be eaten, and Bobby probably too. You're right, Carl. This job is for SUPERTRUCK. SUPERTRUCK, if sharks manage to eat the rest of the platform, Walter will be their next meal. That's right. You need to transform. But which vehicle will you choose? Of course! A super boat is a great choice! Walter, SUPERTRUCK wants you to jump off the platform onto SUPERTRUCK. Can you do that? Walter, if you don't jump, the sharks will eventually eat the platform. And then you're next on the menu. Please jump! Sharks! Whoa, that was close, but you're safe now. SUPERTRUCK, we have to help Bobby. Sharks won't leave him alone just like that. Do you have any ideas? What? The toy boat? It's no time to play, SUPERTRUCK. We have an emergency here. Oh, now I understand. If only you could distract the sharks from Bobby, he could then escape them. But how are you going to do that? That's getting more and more interesting. I thought you'd say that. ST3000 is the answer. A telekinetic ray? Awesome! But I still have no idea how you're going to use it to save Bobby. You were going to use the toy boat as a decoy? I can't wait to see it. Hey, sharks! Over here! Yes, it works! SUPERTRUCK, you are one big joker, aren't you? And they're gone. Goodbye, sharks. Well done, SUPERTRUCK. That was an excellent idea. And Bobby is saved. Bobby, turn around. Your brand new towing platform. Thank you, SUPERTRUCK. You are a true hero.